put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Had sweet love, but I lost it. She got too close, so I fought it. Now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was deep, deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway.
Alright, so talk to me about building the Duct.
We came up with our idea because of duct tape, so we thought we'd do like a little rubber ducky theme. And we used, our artist was John James Audubon because he did a lot of nature, and so he did a few duct works.
Alright. So tell me about how you think this thing is going to float today.
Not really worried about it because I'm pretty sure it's going to float. The only thing I am worried about is we use a lot of cardboard and a lot of duct tape, so it's going to be pretty heavy.
Okay. How many people are going to be in the boat?
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
We chose just to one.
Gotcha.
One guy.
One guy, okay.
Yep.
Maybe
So
he'll row faster.
Yep.
Okay.
We figured girls couldn't row too fast.
Gotcha. All right. Well, cool. Thank you. Hold on. Talk to me about the engineering process behind the Yellow Submarine.
Well, the Yellow Submarine turned out to be the Yellow Submarine after we went through a Navy process. We were going for Navy SEALs or something, but then we wanted to be the Beatles. But it started with one big box and just happened.
One big box and just happened. Okay. What? Who is doing the rowing today?
That would be Tommy Green, our president.
Oh, okay.
And if we don't win the fastest, we will win Titanic because we won an award.
You did win an award.
So it's going to be awesome. If he starts sinking, he's going to do something.
So it's either all or nothing.
It's all or nothing.
Yeah.
If we start sinking, it's going to be crazy. He's going to get crazy out there. So y'all watch.
So what's the name of your team?
Our name is Team Awesome Fighting Mongoose. The name of our boat is Sharkbait Hoo-Ha.
Yes.
We will make it across, matey.
So what was, other than just a big shark, what was the inspiration for?
The inspiration was Damien Hirsch. He did a painting of a shark, and he also did a skull, which we couldn't do the skull because we didn't have time for it, but he did a skull.
We incorporated the skull, the pirate theme.
He did the skull with a bunch of diamonds all over it, and it was worth a lot of money. But we didn't have, but we shall make it, matey.
So you guys planning, this thing's gonna win?
That's what we're planning for.
Y'all gonna stay in the water?
Trying our best.
Flotation.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win something, mate. Arr.
We will get a medal.
Get into character.
This particular race was open to all East Georgia State College students, and we have, look, 15 entries. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. And what each one of them started with is they haven't come up with a design, and they could only use duct tape and corrugated
Go!
Bobcats, ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause. Hello.
Kind of sad because like
go. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause.
oh yeah, several.
Very good. On your mark. Get set. Go.
She's digging too, man. She's digging. Dig it out. This one's going to be a fight to the finish.
First place! I'm first! You got a head start. Okay, race it back to me, head.
Aerial, ladies and gentlemen, aerial. Quacktastic, are you ready? Quacktastic is ready. You can't see me, are you ready? You can't see me is ready. Salvador Dale, are you ready? Gentlemen.
I think that's going to jettison to the bottom. It's conical shape. We'll have it race to the bottom.
Get set. Go.
It's staying up. That one's going under. Oh, he's sinking. Swim it out. I would imagine.
Black casket, ladies and gentlemen. Black casket, I believe. And there will be crowned the one and only.
What is she saying?
They're serious! Somebody help!
That's what she's saying, help me.
That's gonna be a lesson learned for her. Lesson learned. Use a duck. You can't do it. You can't do it. Use a duck. Are there any best friends?
She's staying afloat, which is because she's been out there quite a few minutes. So the soundness of their boat cannot be questioned. I would imagine.
She lost my best friend.
Everybody's just staring at her. This thing looks awesome.
He said I'm thinking.
Well, she's got a life there.
Woman overboard! Woman overboard! Yeah, instead of man overboard, man. Wait, no, that's not man. Woman overboard! Woman overboard!
Do we have a roll? Yeah. Is there something we're supposed to be doing?
People just don't know how to steer canoes. Yeah. No, they're made out of duct tape. I know. They need a duct tape instead of duct.
I know, I'm getting mine in.
Dad, you have to get this. Get it.
I will.
Okay. Any team that made it across and still has a boat left is welcome in the finale.
The finale.
boat that made it across and still has a boat left.
No, it's student activity.
Hey, are
But
they
I think
giving
they all
out?
had to do an art
Are they
thing.
giving out food now?
Hold on, buddy.
Get set.
Are they giving out food now? No.
Go.
Can I see?
Hold on, baby. That Bobcat boat is awesome. I think as long as you get your boat across, you're good. No, stay with us, buddy. Stay with us. Not yet. She can. Good grief.
Yellow Sub SGA, ladies and gentlemen. Yellow Sub SGA.
As long as you're with them, I just don't want them by themselves.
Alright, Brendan, Caleb, guys, it looks like there's a food line now, so if you want to go, you can go now. But I'm heading over there too.
Yellow Sub SGA, ladies and gentlemen. Give them one more round of applause.
I'm actually very impressed. I think I'll just add like the sturdiest boat out here. I noticed at the end you were standing up in this boat.
Yes.
Is there wood in this boat? What is?
No, this is all cardboard and duct tape. That is it.
Cardboard duct tape.
Yes.
Just several layers of it, or
Several layers of cardboard.
do you weigh 5 pounds?
No.
Okay.
I wish. No, not really.
So you had a pretty easy kind of getting there and getting back, didn't you? Did you have any like problems where you thought you were gonna spill, or
No, I just thought I was gonna die with that. That is super heavy.
that the paddle is?
Yes, it is heavy.
Did you just wrap like a bunch of layers of?
Well, we used the sturdier cardboard, like it was like really thick, so it's heavy.
Okay. So that's what kept it in the water, I guess?
No.
Now, is the boat really heavy or no?
The boat's heavy, yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The boat's heavy.
Well, good job on keeping, you could probably do another few runs, couldn't you?
I probably could. It's not, it doesn't seem to be bending yet.
That's all
Number
right.
one, baby. Woo! I see the
All right,
red light.
man. All right, talk to me about your race there, man, because that was,
On the way over there, I did pretty good. My paddle got pretty soaked, so I really couldn't use it. I had to just ditch it and go to the hand paddle motion. So I made a few people mad, splashed them in the face, but I had to do it, you know. Whatever it takes to win. Woo!